Ricotta making in Sicily is a tradition that dates back hundreds of years. Although it's not exactly known when this creamy curd was introduced, it's safe to say it was started in Sicily. There are goat, cow, and buffalo ricotta, but the most popular is sheep ricotta or ricotta di pecora. In the beautiful valley of Belice in the province of Trapani is where we find the Cucciara family farm. 5 generations making cheese, ricotta, and other products.
Questo è formaggio.
Questo è formaggio.
Yes, this will be made for cheese.
The cheese is made organically. The sheep feed off the grass around the farm and are hand pumped for milk every morning. Ricotta literally means twice cooked and is made from the whey or liquid left over from making cheese. The liquid is then heated again with rennet, which allows the curds to rise to the top. The curds are then scooped into a container to allow the whey to drain. The first batch is warm, sweet, and spectacular. At the Cucciara farm, we were served this creamy curd with bread and other products produced on the property. A slightly aged version of ricotta is ricotta salata. There's also ricotta al forno, which is a brick of dense solidified ricotta coated with salt. Now we're going to try the ricotta al forno. I'm going to use Alfred's special cheese knife that he takes everywhere. Okay, so ricotta al forno, you can actually make at home. Take a piece of ricotta, put it in the oven, wait until it's nice, golden brown, as you can see here. And what this does actually is it dehydrates the cheese so it becomes a little bit firmer. Slice it down here. You can eat the shell, of course. The entire thing is delicious. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's a little bit sweet, salty, a little bit of a smoky flavor. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. Some people have it here as an appetizer. I prefer with a piece of bread, ricotta, and my nero de avola. Enjoy. Now let's try the ricotta salata. And this is actually used as a garnish. It's slightly aged. You can put it on salad, but of course it's best on macaroni or pasta. Here in Catania, of course, the main dish is pasta alla norma. You sprinkle this on top of pasta sauce and melanzane fried a little bit, which is eggplant. Delicious. Enjoy.
Cassata, la ricotta siciliana.
Ricotta is also a favorite ingredient in sweets. The cassata, a traditional Sicilian cake, is layered with ricotta. It's also used as a stuffing in cannoli and other desserts.
You don't see this stuff in America, but if you look at our little Minuzzi di Sant'Agata, it's a regional cake made with ricotta on the inside. The breast of Sant'Agata, very well known right here. We cut a piece over here, there's a torte, there's icing over there, the ricotta. I'm going to take a bite right now, and I'm going to show you the definition of bliss. If I die right now, it's going to take the Undertaker 3 days to take the smile off my face. I'm telling you right now. This is a ricotta cannoli. This isn't a normal ricotta cannoli. This is a ricotta cannoli with the pistachio from Bronte, reputed to be the best in the world.
You know, it's extremely difficult to find ricotta gelato, but we found it in a little mountain town. So excited to try this. It's ricotta tasting with a little bit of sugar. Absolutely delicious. Just another example of how ricotta is used in Sicily. Delicioso. I'll save some for you, don't worry. You can find ricotta stuffed crispellis and sfincis at most festivals.
We're in San Antonio, and like always in Sicily, I'm trying the crispelli. This is a ricotta crispelli. I either try ricotta crispellis or else the anchovies. Let's see how this guy is. Yummy dum dummy. It's awesome. Very good ricotta. Awesome. Now,
Signora Maria,
Dimmi,
questo?
questo cassatella.
In the province of Trapani, a popular dessert is cassatelli, or in Siciliano, cassatelli. Our friend Paola Assaro's cousin, Signora Maria Bambina, made it from scratch.
Farina, olio.
The dough is simple to make. Flour, olive oil, wine, sugar,
E basta. E impastare. E basta.
and pasta. First, cut the dough into cubes, flatten them with a pasta machine or a rolling pin.
Has to be smooth. You could put the ricotta cheese inside.
The filling, what else but fresh ricotta stuffing, which includes sugar and cinnamon. Fold the dough over, sort of like a ravioli, into a half-moon shape.
Paola, so Camillo, lo stesso.
Queste piccoline piccoline.
Go like this? Like
It's good. It's good.
Fry them until they're golden brown, sprinkle them with sugar, and voila.
Okay, Alfred, really tough question. What was your favorite ricotta dish?
the cassata cake reminds me of my mom when she used to make it back in the States when I was a little kid. So that has got an emotional attachment to me, that's for sure.
For me, taste-wise, the ricotta cannoli, nothing like it in the world.
Wow.
Okay, if you've enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily, check out our website, www.evazmediagroup.com. We also have a very vibrant Facebook page, You, Me, and Sicily. It has pictures and videos. We do daily posts. Enjoy, and hope you enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao.